Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel and into another vlog. After coming back from Mauritius, I took a couple of extra days off from work to get back into routine at home and take it easy before going back to the chaos of my 9-to-5 job. I just went out to quickly pick up some sushi for lunch, and then I feel like spending the afternoon on some hobbies. I had lots of creative ideas whilst I was away, just of things I wanted to try and wanted to do for fun. So I got out my Himi gouache set and graphic markers to do some drawings/paintings. I'm actually thinking, depending on how it turns out, I may take it to the computer and continue rendering it digitally. Anyway, I'll see how I go. The other day, I saw Spotlight advertise a tablecloth with a beautiful rustic orange print, and that inspired me to try creating one of my own. Just for fun, with no agenda in mind. I like to approach my hobbies in a light-hearted way, acknowledging there is so much more to learn and practice still, and just purely enjoying the process no matter the outcome. Especially in this day and age where everything can be monetized, optimized, and capitalized, I personally feel like that puts on too much pressure, and it inevitably deters me from getting started in the first place. Instead, if I try to not overthink the whole thing and expect myself to produce some high quality product, it feels more like play and less is at stake. So just forget all that and do it. Practice makes progress, so just keep going. And in the end, if it takes off, well, that's a bonus. And if it doesn't, that's also okay. It's the next day, and I'm finally tackling a little project I've been wanting to do for a while now, which is to revamp my desk space. I've bought a few bits and pieces from Officeworks to spruce up the space and bring in some colour and print. I want to try and put out some of my art supplies, so it inspires me and reminds me to spend time on it when I can. I figure if I put it out in arm's reach, will I reach for it more? Same with my Chinese study workbooks. I haven't picked it up in a while and I really want to put it back into rotation, so I'm going to give it a new home to help with that. And last but not least, I was in need of some stationery top-ups. I was on a mission to use up all the pens and highlighters that I already had in the house, and the day has finally come to buy some new ones. And that's it. It's not super aesthetic and Pinterest worthy, but it works for me and the switch up is fresh and energizing. It's a new day and I'm starting off with a workout. I haven't done a workout for about 3 weeks since being on holidays, so I'm trying to get back into it. Then for some breakfast, I'm having some eggs on toast with baked beans and a side of fruit. I would usually put sliced up cucumbers, but I didn't have any on hand, so the fruit has subbed in. And finally, it's back to food prepping for the week ahead. And what that looks like for me is essentially pre-washing, pre-cutting, and pre-marinating all the ingredients for this week's meal plan. By the way, we've been obsessed with this yellow melon lately. It's like a honeydew melon, but the flesh is white and it's usually really sweet. We've been getting one every week these days from our local fruit and veg shop, so if you haven't tried it before, I highly recommend it.
Story that would never end. Never thought I'd feel so alive, looking in your eyes. I just wanna love you till the day I die. Oh, oh, I just wanna love you right. Oh, you there. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. If I'm gonna love somebody.
Also, the other day I tried my hand in making sticky date pudding because I had a tub of medjool dates to use up and it turned out really yummy. I've always been a bit overwhelmed with the idea of making this, but it turned out to be really manageable. So I'm freezing some away now in serving sizes for another day, which will be really nice on a cold night with a cup of tea. And that brings me to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like and consider subscribing for more from me. Have a lovely day and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!